Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I have a Christmas card for you using the Wish for Everything stamp set. This is a great stamp set because you can make all kinds of sentiments. So on the first case, it comes in two cases. There are sentiments for all different occasions. Moms, Easter, Christmas, New Year. There's about the menorah, there's trick-or-treating, being grateful, so good for Thanksgiving, fathers. So there's all kinds of sentiments there. And on the second box, you can make your own sentiments. So you can say, happy Halloween or happy Mother's Day, or you could say, birthday, it says birthday somewhere on here, birthday wishes. So you can make your own words like that. But we're going to use the sentiment right here, a merry little wish for lots of joy this season, for the sweet little Christmas card. All right, so let's go ahead and do our stamping. So I've got that right here on my block, and I'm going to use some real red ink. And I have a piece of very vanilla cardstock here. And this is cut at 3 3/4 by 1. And we're going to do our best to get it over to the right hand side. This is hard to do on video because it's already cut. Normally I would stamp it, then cut just to make sure it's straight. I'm actually going to get it in front of me, so you're probably going to see my head. I'm going to do my best to get it nice and straight on here. All right, actually that looks pretty good. So we're stamping it over to the right. A merry little wish for lots of joy this season. I'm going to clean off my stamp. All right, that looks clean. And this can go back in the case. With the new set of cling stamps, they've kind of improved the sticker on the back. They're not quite as strong as the first batch was, where it was nearly impossible to get them off your block, so that's nice. And that's all the ink we're going to need. This is a really quick and simple card. All right, so let's go ahead and set this aside, and we're going to start building our card from the base up. So I have a piece of real red cardstock cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. So let's go ahead and do that. And so the card's going to open this way. Okay. And next we have a piece of crumb cake cardstock. And this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I love crumb cake for Christmas cards. It kind of makes them look kind of country. Oops. Did I run out? I just ran out of adhesive. So I'm going to throw that away and grab another one. So you just open it up, pull the yellow part out, plug it in. And we're back and ready to go. All right, and these can go in the garbage. All right, so crumb cake, anyway, it looks very country, which I like. Okay, so this is gonna go right here on the top. Well, I like for some cards. All right, next I wanted to use designer series paper from the Toile Tiding Suite. And I grabbed this page out. They come in 12 by 12 sheets. So it's this buffalo check in the garden green, and on the other side it's real red. And so I wanted to use that. And I cut strips that were 1 1/4 inch each. So I've got them right here. So they're each 1 1/4 inch by 5. So I wanted 2 reds and a green, but they're the same on both sides. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my triple banner punch, and I'm going to cut them into little banners. So I just want to line them up in here. So 1, let's go 2, and 3. Okay. All right. And we'll close that up. We're all finished with that. I'm actually going to put it away so it doesn't get lost on my desk. All right. And what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to flip them over and put the adhesive on the back. And you could use any paper you have. Just, you could even use the Regals, Neutrals, you know, those paper packs. They come in different prints, but you just want 3 different things. So we're going to start right here. So I've got 1, that, and this one's going to go right next to it. 2, and then the last one's going to go right here, right next to it. And it should, whoops, come on, what am I struggling with here? There we go. There we go. So see, it looks just like that. Isn't that so cute? All right, now we're going to grab this piece that we stamped earlier and go ahead and stick the adhesive on the back of that. This card is so simple, and it'll line up exactly to the edge. Make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, Then I'm going to grab this garden green ribbon. This is the double stitched ribbon. Okay, and I'm going to tie a bow. This, I love this ribbon. It's nice and strong, or strong, is that the right word? It's a very thick ribbon. I love that. Okay, so we're going to pull our, okay, but I want it a little bit bigger than that. So let's try this again. I'm going to grab my little ring, and I want it about that size. That would have been perfect for a little bow, which I'm always trying to do. I think that's why I'm in the habit of pulling it tight like that. There we go. So does that look, except my end's not quite long enough. Okay, so I'm going to try it one more time. There we go. Okay. I want the bow to be about this. Perfect. So remember, hold the knot in the middle when you pull it, and then you can pull it really tight. That looks perfect to me. So I'm going to cut this one right about here and here. Okay. And let me just fix this one. There we go. And I'm going to grab a glue dot, stick it right on the back, and I'm going to go right here at an angle. Cute, right? And then to finish it off, I'm going to grab the red rhinestones, and I'm going to put one right here and one right here and one right here. There we go. And that is my card. Isn't that cute? And it was so simple. A merry little wish for lots of joy this season. And here's one I did earlier. I just love these. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll check out A Wish for Everything stamp set. I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.